This is the memory mic. So we are going to see if I can leave my phone up here, walk over there while holding this, and whether the audio actually works like it's supposed to. So I'm going to use this incredible phone propping tool. Right here. Oh, look. That's not going to work, is it? Alright. So, I guess I'll just put it down here on this slide. And we'll see how well the audio works. So hopefully that's pointed somewhat in the right direction. These are the tests I can do when I have kids around. So right now I'm about 15 feet away. Let's see. I'll just mumble incoherently to myself as I walk away. I'm about to kick a ball, going to kick said ball, bunk. And now wandering around the wonders of my somewhat reclaimed yard. So anyway, this is the memory mic. Whether or not it works and syncs, we'll have to see. The video recorder didn't have too many options, but on my initial test, when hitting stop, it did have the option to sync audio and video. So let's see how this works, and hopefully I was somewhat in frame during some of that. Let's see, what do we got? 2 minutes.